Well, good morning. Yeah, so it's Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday, and it's our last full day here. We're going to be leaving tomorrow, Wednesday. Randall and Tiffany over yonder. See if you can see their camp. There, that area. Them. Yep. They're loading up and leaving today to go to Monument Valley and spend a couple of days there and hang out and do some cool stuff and off-roading. So it's 9:25 this morning. It is freaking chilly. But I'm going to get the smoker put out because we're going to smoke a pork shoulder today. And we're going to take Randall and Tiffany on a ride in the RZR. So I'll actually have 4 people in there, which, like, couldn't tell you the last time that happened. So we're going to take them for a little cruise around the dunes. And like I said, Tiffany, we actually didn't do that yesterday. We were talking about it. We didn't do that last night. So we're going to do that this morning, and then they're going to take off. And we've just got nothing planned today but mellow, hanging out, relaxing. Hopefully the weather's good. Looks like it's going to be nice. Yeah, not a lot on the agenda. So a little dune cruise next with the 4 of us. Chilly ride. All right, yeah. Catch you guys in a little bit.
A few minutes later.
Absolutely love this Rectech smoker, man. This thing is awesome. So we got a pork shoulder in there. 10 minutes. Pork sandwiches. Great setup though. Super awesome unit. Legs fold down if you don't want to put it on a table like this. I just find it easier to keep it this way. Why not? Got that hooked up to a little $500 generator, portable generator. So I don't have to put hours on the Onan. And that was an awesome ride. Randall and gang are pulling out. His new trailer, by the way, super nice. I forget now the company, Aluminum Trailers, something like that. 36-foot fifth wheel. Beautiful, man. Super nice setup. On their way to Monument Valley. Fun little ride with them. And off they go. gosh, what a freaking fun trail this is. It's too bad Randall didn't have his car, his Can-Am with him this trip. We could have done this whole trail, but it's turning into super cool, rock crawling, tight, fun stuff. And the funner it gets and the further away we get, the more I remind myself that we don't have anybody else out here with us. So probably not gonna go a whole lot further, but just a beautiful trail. Views off both sides, as you can see, just everywhere. Views everywhere on this trail. I don't know what it's called, but it's coming off the backside of Coral Pink sand dunes, and obviously it goes a lot further south, kind of following the top of this vista. But tons of fun, beautiful. We're just gonna hang out. We'll do a little drone footage, show you guys what it looks like from up top, and probably just start working our way back towards camp here in a little bit. But for now, we're just gonna stop down and just enjoy this, because it is gorgeous. Chilly day though, a little bit nippy.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So high maintenance with your Uggs. Good gracious.
Hell yeah, you know me.
Look at this. Dude, it's pretty. Let me get the sunlight on it. Oh, can you see this awesomeness? Is that coming through? That's gonna be delicious pulled pork goodness. And we're back. So that was a super cool last ride. I say last ride because it's about 3 o'clock, and I think we're just gonna play some games around here, do some drinking. Whoa, where's my camera going? And just hang out and enjoy the last remainder of half a day left in this beautiful state. So I think we're gonna be just chilling, guys. Hopefully, I don't know if this was 1 or 2 videos, what you guys saw, how it turned out, but hopefully it was enjoyable and you guys liked it. If you haven't subscribed, give it a thought. I'd appreciate it. Thank you guys for all the likes and comments. You guys are super cool, so appreciate it as always. You guys, we'll check back with you on the next one. We've got some good trips planned. Overlanding Raptor got built, so that's going to be a new thing you guys will see. Raptor got built up for overlanding to pull the RZR and the 790 and stuff behind it. And we've got some overlanding trips planned in end of April, end of May. We're going to Montana, taking the RZR, and the RZR's going to Montana for trail riding. Some really cool stuff planned, so stick around for all that goodness. Anyways, check back with you guys on the next video. Bye.